Hey guys, how are you? This is Mr. Argueta. I will be your instructor for your course this summer. I wanted to get this video out to you before the weekend. Of course, Monday is our first day of class and wanted to give you a heads up of what to expect. So first and foremost, I wanted to show you this. I will be teaching three classes today. Let me start over. I will be teaching three classes this summer. Normally I teach one, which is Principles of Management. So if you're in my Principles of Management class, that's this one. Normally that's what I teach, but this semester I'll be teaching two more, Introduction to Business and Performance Management. So you are receiving this video because you are in one of those three classes. If you're not, then we might have a problem. But if you are in one of these three classes or a multiple of those classes, this video is perfect for you. It's going to give you an idea of what to expect. So let's start off with Principles of Management. I want you to see what it looks like. Once you go to gntc.edu, you look for Blackboard and log in, and you find your course, Principles of Management. Once you click in Principles of Management, okay, hopefully the internet, there we go. And you'll see this on the left-hand side. Same structure will be used in the other classes with the exception of some wording. For example, in this class, we call it weekly assignments, and it goes week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, week 5, week 6, week 7, and your final week, which is your final exam for week 8. Okay? Every one of these folders will be similar setups in the other ones. I will show you that in a second. But week 1 folder will have your syllabus. There you go. And your syllabus quiz for Principles of Management. Chapter 1 work, Chapter 2 work, and your introduction discussion. Our class is going to be composed of chapter work and discussion work. So please make sure you do all of your work every week. Whatever's in that week's folder is what's due for that week. If you want to go back and see discussions, you can go to your discussion tab and see all the discussions for the semester, but I do not recommend you doing that yet because every week is what's going to be graded. So week 1, this is the work that's due. This is the work that will be graded. Okay? I don't work ahead and I don't accept late work. So please keep that in mind. Let me show you for my Intro to Business students what that looks like. Notice, this does not say weekly assignments. This one says lessons, but same thing. Week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, week 5, week 6, week 7, week 8. And in week 1, similar to Principles of Management, you have your syllabus quiz, Chapter 1, Chapter 2, and your first discussion. So make sure you get all of that work done. Now, if you're in performance management, things change for you. Let's take a look. You have it under lessons, and the first tab is your syllabus and information about the course. You really don't have to complete anything, but you do have to read all the information, and in the first tab, you have your syllabus, as you could see. Let's go back to lessons. That's the first tab. Second tab, instead of it calling week 1, it's called unit 1, unit 2, unit 3, unit 4, unit 5, unit 6, and 7, unit 8. But it's the same thing. If you click on that, this is your assignment for that week. You have your smart book orientation to kind of learn what to do. If you know how to do it, it's easy. Chapter 1 work, this is it. This is what you'll be doing. And, excuse me, and your introduction. So, pretty simple, guys. You go into your tabs and you look for, in your case, in Principles of Management case, weekly assignments. The other classes are called lessons. So just keep that in mind. Nothing really crazy, okay? Do whatever's in that week's lesson or unit lesson. Try not to work ahead because you will not be graded for that yet. Not till it comes up in the weekly assignments. Couple things to point out, guys. This is for most, if not all, of our business classes. You will be graded 30% on your Learn Smart, 30% on your chapter homework and quizzes, 30% on discussion and participation, and 10% on your midterm or finals. So here's how it works for me. Discussions are extremely important. 2 things I look for in discussions: that you are not plagiarizing or fabricating your material. It's simple, guys. Just have a discussion. Tell me what you think about the topic. 1-sentence discussions will not be graded. I will count it as if it wasn't graded, like it wasn't done. You have to have a discussion. That's how I know you're doing the work. That's how I know you understand the work. Other than that, I'm pretty straightforward. I don't accept late assignments. I don't accept early assignments. Just work on that week. It's summer. I know you guys want to do other things, but just get your work done early. I recommend it starts on it starts Monday morning at midnight. So Sunday night technically, but Monday morning at midnight, the chapter's open. You have all week to work on your assignments. Please do it early. Get your work done as soon as possible. So if you can do that, we can get through this. This is an 8-week course. It goes by fast. So best way to get a hold of me, email. I got my email on my phone. I see it right away. Most times I try to answer it, unless it's like crazy hours in the morning. I won't answer it till I wake up. But if it's a regular day, regular time, 7, 8 o'clock at night, I try to answer as fast as I can. I know you guys are working, you have family, so you try to do your work when you can. So let's work together on this one. All right, guys, I'm pretty straightforward, pretty easy. On the discussion, let me explain to you how that works. You need to reply to at least 2 other classmates, have an original post of your own, and every week I put up a video with an update telling you what's going on, what's happening, what to expect. Reply to that. That one, I just want to get to know you. Tell me how your week's going, what's going on. I share with you personal stuff about me, what's going on in my life, just to connect with you guys. So use that as just, don't worry about so much a paragraph long. Just reply. Hey, how's it going, Mr. Argueta? I did this, I did that, whatever, just to get to know you. So we'll use that as just kind of a relaxed one. But the 2 replies to your classmates, you must put some effort into it. Your post must have some effort into it. The reply to my video, pretty easy going. All right. I think that's it, guys. So if you have any questions, let me know. I hopefully will get this to you. Today is Friday. It's about 10 in the morning. I have this out to you as soon as it publishes. But other than that, guys, have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful day. And I'm looking forward to meeting everybody. We'll talk soon. Take care.